It is Monday, December 23rd, here at the Desert Marksmen range here in Palmdale. Came out here early this morning to just get a little bit more confirmation on the 6.5 Creedmoor NRL Hunter rifle build and just put some extra rounds through it for a little practice, because I don't really shoot it as much as I would like to. Plus, you don't want to burn down the barrel because it's carbon fiber, so it's kind of slow to shoot. In any case, I got here right at the break of dawn, and there were already a couple people here. I didn't set up a paper target yet. I just rushed out there during a break that they were taking just to set up steel at 4, 5, and 6, and already shot rounds at 4, 5, and 6. Slight tweaks that I might have to make to the solver because it's reading a little high at 400, but it's kind of dead on at 5 and 6. So I'm gonna figure out how to true that up, and at least for these conditions. But it's not even more than 1/10 of a mil, so we should be fine. I did bring my AR with me. I only have like maybe 20 rounds in it or for it, so I might shoot that today just to recoup the brass and reload that. But let's go ahead and get back to the line, and maybe we'll take a break so I can put out a 100-yard target just to confirm my 100-yard zero. Okay. This one is supposed to be 2.8. Mirage shows a little right to left, but I don't know about that. Okay, that one's on. Then 3.8 for 600. I'm still seeing a little right left to wind, which is why I'm holding right. Holding a little right, but I'll hold just a tad. A little bit right of center. Oh, that one's way off. I let that dip. Okay. I'm gonna take one more shot on that. Make it around now. Alright, I'll let that one dip down, I think. Let's get a better hold on this one. It's a little right to left, just a little bit. Okay, now we're hitting high. I kind of want to recalibrate that, to be honest. We are shooting 2690. Let me double check. Still showing 390. It's 599, so still saying 376 actually. But looks like we're maybe a 10th high. 600, maybe. Let's dial 137. I'll see how this is. Okay. 3.6, 3.7. 3.7 more like, to be honest. 3.7. Alright, we're gonna take a shot at this target. It's a club target. It's 657 and it's, I think it was 431, I said, for 657. 431. So let's try that one out. 431. 657. See if I can find that target first. It's right there on the hillside. Alright, this one right here. Should be an easy hit. Just parallax real quick here. Close enough. To see on video where that hit. This one should be the same. Hold a little right. Oh, that was off. Okay. Re-engage. It's right on both sides. Alright, let's go ahead and just fire 2 more rounds on that. While the sun is coming out. I think we're gonna hold 4-3. It's gonna be 4-3. We're gonna hold left edge. Was a hit. Had a weird bipod bounce though. Alright, let's try this one more time. Oh no. Oh, my recoiling all funny. Something come loose. This ground is unstable. Oh. Yeah, I'm digging in the ground. That's unfortunate. Oh, actually, so I fired 2 rounds and no hits, but my bipod leg decided to collapse on me. But let's go ahead and try one more time. We have 4-3. The sun is coming out, so we got this wicked haze. Alright. Readjust my rifle here. Alright, so I took 2 shots, but my bipod decided to fold on me, or it splayed out for some reason. So let's go ahead and put 2 more shots on this. Got this haze going. That's a hit. Hit and low. Alright. 4-3-1. Should be 4-3-3, should be fine. For 657. We are trued up here. Alright. I'll let this cool down. We'll bring out the AR. 5.2. 5.2 on the club steel. Parallax. Hit. Oh, high. Okay. Making hits. All right. All right, let's try the other one, the small one. We're high. We're going to take some shots at the club steel off a tripod. Let's go ahead and get some high kneeling shots here. All right, we're down to 4-3. Set a parallax for 6 roughly. All right, let's get our body squared up to this. All right. Dial back my magnification here. Solid hit on that one, I think. That was high. Oh, got it. Got one more. Good hit. Okay, 2 solid hits. Let's readjust for the small target. This is where we get to the old recoil management issue here. To the right. Not bad. all done shooting. I packed up my gear and scooted over to the side of the range facility. Pretty much got my gun confirmed again with the solver, and as long as I put 10 feet per second faster into the solver than it reads on my chronograph, it gets the curve correct. So there's an actual way to true muzzle velocity. There's a feature in your Kestrels as well as that Vectronix. It's all in applied ballistics. You have to shoot like at a certain distance before it goes transonic, and that's when you're gonna true up your velocity. True up your curve using muzzle velocity. But I don't really have the distance to do that, so I'm just kind of cheating my way by just shooting it from like 0 to 600 and then adjusting my velocity in the solver until like the curve is kind of matching up. And so that's where we're at right now. So like at 500, it's pretty much dead on. I shot 4 rounds here. I can't seem to find the 4th. 100% I hit the center though all 4 times. I was watching it in my scope, and these are just chips here from the paint just flaking off when it vibrates. But this is the 600-yard target, and my first shot was here, second shot was here. I think this was the 3rd shot, and so it was kind of, I was doing some wind adjustments here, holding right. However, it's a little high, just barely. This is like not even like maybe 2 inches, 2.5 inches, so like a 1/10 of a mil roughly at 600. Once I adjusted 10th down, I shot like 1 and then 1, 2, 3. So there's the 3 shots right there. So I think we're trued up, relatively speaking, and we'll see how this goes as far as my my Vectronix is concerned. I also trued up my EL ranges as well. I think in order to get the EL range solver to match, it's a little bit slower than actual. It's like 10 feet per second slower than actual. So it's I don't know. It seems like that curve that adjusts that solver's curve correctly for my gun. So I'm thinking about bringing that as a backup. I know a lot of people say, well, you don't need to bring backup binoculars, but I'll just bring them, keep my vehicle. There's no really need for me to carry my backpack, but I'll bring my EL ranges as backup. And but I think the Vectronix will be good. I mean, looking through the Vectronix, I still think the Swaros have better resolution, to be honest. I mean, Vectronixes are decent, like, well, not decent, they're pretty good. Like, if you look at Vectronixes by themselves, they're great. A lot of people say, oh, they're clear. But if you look at Swaros, like, Swaros just are a cut above everybody else. But at this point, I think I'm willing to accept the small sacrifice on swirl clarity in like color in resolution and image clarity to go with the Vectronixes, which give me more features but still has good image clarity. And I have that in my review. If you've never seen my review, I have a video review and a written review on the Vectronixes, so check that out if you can or if you want. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just wind this down. I'm gonna take some photos out here since it's a nice day, and then get home. So this is my last range vlog before Christmas, but I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. I'll be at the range before New Year's, but so I'll wish you a Happy New Year. But if you're not going to watch that range vlog, have a Happy New Year as well. Be safe, take care, and the best wishes to you and your family. That's it for this range vlog. Today is December 23rd here at the Desert Marksmen range. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.